Thank you for your purchase of funRide's Wave 3-in-1 musical swing. The musical adjustable swing that provides safety and comfort for your loved one. Built with strong and sturdy material, funRide's Wave 3-in-1 swing comes with advanced safety features. Please follow this instruction video carefully to assemble the product and know the amazing features of it. We will now assemble this beautiful swing by using these parts. You also need a screwdriver with regular and star shape. First, insert the provided two AA batteries in the back of the safety frame or handrest to activate bright and colorful LED lights with fun music. Now, slide the backrest to the back end of the seat cavity. Next, insert the rope inside the side cavity of the handrest bar both sides and fix it in front of the seat. Isn't it super easy? The Wave musical swing is now ready for fun. Enjoy the fun ride, the ride of happiness.